Assalamu alaikum. What is the difference between Ahsanul Hadith or the best Hadith and the authentic Hadith or Sahih Hadith?
السلام عليكم طبتم مباركم طيبا ربي أعوذ بك من همسات الشياطين وأعوذ بك ربي أن يحضرون بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى ربي زدني علما. Dear brothers and sisters, today we are going to talk about Quranic issues, Quranic teachings, and we are going to answer the questions which are very much related with human being. Now I am going to answer the question, that is, what is the difference between Ahsanul Hadith and Sahih Hadith? First of all, we must know what is called Hadith. We have to know what is called Hadith. Hadith is an Arabic word, it's a Quranic word. Allah has been used this word in several places in the Quran, and Allah has declared the Quran is only the Ahsanul Hadith. Ahsanul Hadith, it is called in Arabic grammar Ismu Tabdil, and in English grammar Ahsan means the superlative degree. That means the best Hadith, the highest, the nicest, the finest Hadith, the one and only, the most beautiful Hadith. Allah said in Surah Zumar, Surah number 39, verse number 23, Allahu nazzala ahsan hadith. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala consecutively has revealed the most beautiful hadith, the finest, the nicest statement, the purest statement, that is Kitaba Mutashabiha, that is book which is the most similar. That means the Quran, the birth of the Quran will be similar with each other. There will be no difference. So answer is, the Quran is the only Ahsanul Hadith because it is revealed statement, revealed speech. Hadith means speech, talk, statement, narration. The Holy Quran is the only the revealed narration, revealed statement, because Allah has ordered us, commanded us, you just believe in the revealed book. That is in Surah Al-Baqarah, Surah number 2, verse number 41. وَآمِنُوا بِمَا أَنزَلْتُ مُصَدَّقًا لِمَا مَعَكُمْ. And O you believer, O you people, just you believe what I have been revealed to you. That means the Quran is revealed book. And Sahih Hadith, authentic Hadith, is also Quran, because Allah has said in Surah An-Nisa, Surah number 4, verse number 87, وَمَنْ أَصْدَقُ مِنَ اللَّهِ حَدِيثًا. Allah's questioned. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has been asked the people, وَمَنْ أَصْدَقُ, who is the truest speech? Then Allah Almighty, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, regarding the authentic statement, authentic, for being an authentic hadith, for being an authentic hadith and authentic statement, that is Al-Quran. So, the Quran is one and only Sahih Hadith, the Quran is one and only the Ahsanul Hadith. But nowadays, we are listening this lie, the many more Islamic, so-called Islamic jurisprudents or Islamic mullahs or scholars, they are talking this lie, they are proclaiming this lie, they are conveying this lie, the Sahih Hadith, but they are quoting from other sources rather than the Quran. But the Quran is the only Sahih Hadith. Allah's question, وَمَنْ أَصْدَقُ, who is that person who can talk like Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the purest speech, the authentic speech? So Allah said in another verse, Ahsanul Hadith and the Asdaqu min Allah Haditha. The Quran is the one and only Sahih Hadith and only Ahsanul Hadith. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.